Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am working on a Nightmare Before Christmas inspired wreath that I initially saw on Pinterest. I'm a big lover of Halloween, so any way that I can extend that holiday, I'm gonna hop on it like fast. So I headed over to Goodwill and I got a half dead looking wreath for about $5 to $6 and just got to work trying to clean it up. I added cardboard just to, make my eyes and the teeth sturdy enough to withstand being on my door. I glued everything together, added a bow, added a jack skeleton face made out of paper, cardstock to be specific, and that was it. Placed it on my door. Super easy, super fast. It took me less than an hour. So thanks for watching and I hope you enjoy.